Hey, if you're looking for a bed and breakfast, boy, we've got one for you. Located in the heart of Buffalo, we've got one for you today. It's Oscar's Bed and Breakfast. We can't wait to show you guys what we've discovered. It's our first time that we've done a review. In fact, first time Christy and I've stayed in a bed and breakfast, so come along and enjoy it. We'll show you the sights and sounds of Buffalo, New York. As today, Oscar's Bed and Breakfast in New York, we review you. So welcome to We Review You, and now, here goes our story. All right, so good morning from our first night, second day at Oscar's Bed and Breakfast. And I gotta tell you,
wow, it was so fun. The house is so beautiful.
It's so cool.
So cool.
And you know, we were talking about the Colonial. I've got a friend of mine in the UK, told you guys about the company Smartcation and Gain Loyalty. And I was talking to my buddy Terry, and right off the bat, he recognized the Colonial style. Yeah. Look at that. Aren't they beautiful? And the gentleman's name was Frank. It takes me a minute to remember, but leave a comment. Let me guys. Do you guys remember? Tell me who it is again. I'll ask Jen, but who is the famous architect that designed this style of home? And as you look here, it looks like something where a president would have lived in back in the early 1900s. And then across the street, same thing, beautiful little design.
The architecture is so cool.
But we're in the Great Smoky Mountains.
The leaves are falling big time up here, by the way.
Now we're in the Great Smoky Mountains, so we live in a beautiful location and we love the weather, but look at this. It's already starting to turn fall here. The leaves are falling. Anyway, so this is Oscar's Bed and Breakfast, located in the beautiful heart of Buffalo in the Linwood Historic Community. We're just taking a little walk out here so we can show you guys the beautiful sights. It's in the 70s as soon as we woke up.
Oh, it's so nice out.
Very, very refreshing.
Fall has already started up north.
It is. Let me get in front of you. Right off the bat, look at this. Our gracious hosts have blessed us with this beautiful charcuterie. Wow, look at that. Wow. And you've got a coffee maker in your room with some coffees and some teas. Mm-hmm. Refrigerator. And I got to tell you guys something. This place is absolutely insanely awesome. Look at this.
It was built in 1875.
1875. Mm-hmm. And the owners have kind of kept it as of course it's modern, but as original as possible, which I'll show you guys. But look at this. This is the very modern bathroom that they have. Beautiful shower. Christy was saying, look at this beautiful armoire. Look at this. Isn't that neat?
It even squeaks like an older house.
Look at that. It's got some robes for you there. Beautiful bathroom. Beautiful.
Look at this little old-fashioned refrigerator.
Oh, little refrigerator. Oh.
They give us distilled water right there.
Oh yeah.
For us.
Nice. And so we are here in our room, and this one is the way room. As you go outside, yeah, let me show you guys. Look, it's even got our name on it. Welcome. Yeah, and I'm gonna show you guys around outside out here because there's gonna be guests coming later, and I don't want to interrupt the guests' stay. I had to show you guys this. This is like a little sitting area that they have. Isn't that neat? And then they have like a little reading area. That's the front door, which I'll show you guys a minute. That's a beautiful little entranceway. And just look at the ceilings. If you guys are like us, I love the old designs. When we go to the old buildings, so much history. And of course, that's the stairway going up, I believe, to the BB suite, which is upstairs. And then of course, there's a little dining area in here. Look at this. Isn't that just precious? And I heard the owner way back there in the back, I heard her doing stuff. But look at that kitchen that they have. Isn't that gorgeous? So we didn't want to disturb them while they were doing their thing, but this is just so neat. I wanted you guys to be able to see it. If you've not done the bed and breakfast experience, really, really neat, because what you're doing is you're going inside of someone's home, and in this case, we're going back into time. I just can't get over, like I told Christy, this just reminds me of my childhood growing up with my father. some of the things we saw in his old courthouse up in Indiana. Just such a neat old building. Reminds me of it. But yeah, let me show you guys around some more stuff. So not only are Jen and Rob excellent hosts on the inside, but man, she's got such a beautiful place on the outside. Doesn't she, the way she gardens and...
Oh my gosh, this was the most beautiful experience I've ever spent on a vacation.
I'm not
It
kidding.
blows hotels out of the water.
And how about that food?
The food was exquisite.
Oh, let me show you guys. We sat on the patio almost every single day. We decided to, and this is what we got treated to. I'm telling you guys, if you're looking for a bed and breakfast stay unlike anything else, you want to stay with people that treat you like family, come see Jen and Rob at Oscars. All right, I'm never going to want to leave. I'm just telling you right now. Guys, this is Jen and Rob. Jen and Rob, thank you so much for letting us come into your home and share. But now we're going to need the keys and ask you to leave. How are you both this evening?
Great.
Yeah, thank you again. So this is Oscar's Bed and Breakfast in the Linwood, and how do you pronounce it again? Is it the Linwood Historic District? How do they pronounce this?
Linwood Preservation District.
Preservation District. All of the most beautiful homes. We've talked about the Frank Lloyd?
Right.
Right, that made those. And the designs here are just so beautiful. Guys, you are within a matter of minutes of everything. We've gone just down the street. You and I were talking about you can hit the city, what we found, some of the restaurants that are close to you guys, the nightlife. And then within about a 20-minute drive, we're at the edge of, well, Canada and at Niagara Falls. What a neat place. I want to ask you guys a couple questions. Why did you get started in this? What made you lead to Oscar's Bed and Breakfast? So be sure you do check out that interview. I'm going to go ahead and put it up at another time because I want you guys to hear it. What a great conversation I had with Jen and Rob. But look at that skeleton key. Oh my gosh. Okay, Christina, I don't think we're going to be able to leave.
Oh, this place is spoiling us.
So now we have got our beginning of our breakfast served out on the patio. I don't think we're going to want to leave Oscar's Bed and Breakfast in Buffalo. Cheers. So, Christy, walking around the outside of the place, didn't you feel like you're almost on like a tour somewhere at the Smithsonian somewhere? Or...
Oh, like I time traveled to 1885.
Yeah,
Oh.
1875, whatever it was. But
I enjoyed the architecture of that town. Oh,
the whole place, everywhere. And as we walk upstairs, we went ahead and re-recorded this because I wanted you guys, you could hear the floors squeaking in the place. It reminded me so much of just something we grew up with that you can't capture these places of old. And I just wanted to narrate a little bit more because Christy and I were a little overwhelmed. So this place has 3 large rooms.
Yeah.
They have the Wade, the BB, and I'll show you the right one as well, the right suite. So there's 3 different ones. And this is the largest one of all.
on the second level.
That's exactly right, on the second level. So for those of you who do have a disability or handicap, you may want to consider the Wade, the one that we stayed in. It's on the ground floor.
Oh, so beautiful.
But-
so authentic.
Yeah, but still very modern.
I never stayed at a bed and breakfast before, but I'm telling you what, they're good. They're gonna have to compare to this gorgeous one. I would choose this over a hotel any day of the week, if possible.
Yeah, for sure. And as we wind down this review, we want to thank you guys. We want to welcome you to our channel if this is your first time visiting us. If not, if you've been on our channel, thank you for supporting us. If you guys decide you ever want to go to a bed and breakfast, please look at the link in the description. I'll put the link for Oscars in there and let them know Sean and Christy send you and that they'll take really good care of you. They sure will. So,
Oh, it made you feel like you're a resident of Buffalo.
absolutely.
It gives you the feel of living there, and it was just incredible.
Anyway, guys, I know what I'm going to go home with. I'm going to take this cup, but don't tell them I said so. Oscars in, right here in Buffalo. So definitely look them up if you guys decide to go to the area, and we have a lot of videos to come. So if you get a chance, make sure you can click there and watch the video of Rob and Jen and I talking about how they got into the bed and breakfast, or maybe check out Niagara Falls.
Oh man, Buffalo, we love you, Buffalo.
We love you, Buffalo, and we'll be back. But no, thank you, so much hospitality that we've discovered up there, and much more to come right here on We Review You with Sean, Christy, and Baby Girl.
More to come, and oh, what a beautiful experience. Thank you, Rob and Jen.
That's right. See y'all soon right here on We Review You.